Hey guys, welcome back to another quick informative video. So today we're talking about the LG Stylo 4. Where is it? Dragonicwarfare, Walmart already has it, blah blah blah. Yes guys, I have had a lot of reports, and thank you to everybody that has been sending me all these reports that the LG Stylo 4 has released on Boost Mobile, and I know some other YouTubers already got it today and are reviewing it and stuff. I actually went to 4 different Walmarts in my area, guys. And they're not even that close, man. Like, I went to my 2 closest. I called the 2 other ones that are a little bit further away, probably about 20-30 miles away from me. Nobody has them. I mean, one Walmart actually was like, no sir, you're mistaken, we don't have it, and it's actually the LG Stylo 3. I'm like, lady, do you know what I do for a living? Like, come on, man. Like, look me up online, But jokes aside, the LG Stylo 4, it's not in Best Buy, it's not in Walmart online, at least. I have heard Georgia has it, Maryland has it, and some other parts in North Carolina or South Carolina. But I did get some information out of going all to the 4 Walmarts. Like I said, I actually drove to all 4 Walmarts, guys. I was trying to get this phone for you guys. But where I live kind of on the coast or near the water, and I guess we don't get stuff, even though I'm like by a port and all that stuff, which is weird. But basically, you might be saying, okay, so what's the status of it? And this is kind of like a little update for you guys. So from what I heard is August 5th is when all Walmarts are supposed to get the new stock of phones. So a lot of people are getting rid of, I actually talked to somebody that knew what they were talking about at Walmart electronics. Yeah, that's shocking. So I've been going to the same Walmart, my local Walmart, for forever, and I know this guy. He said that August 5th is when all the old stock, so the LG Stylo 3, the old like Perkses and all that stuff, they're supposed to get rid of those for the new ones. So I'm guessing that's when they're gonna get the refined, and they will be able to get the Stylo 4 in all Walmarts. Like I said, so they said that they do get stuff quicker up north. That's what they told me, like phone wise. And some people just learned about the Stylo 4 today. Like some of the Walmarts I went to, they're like, no, we actually just learned about it, and we won't get them till about August, is what they were telling me. 2 different Walmarts told me about August 5th is when they're expected to get it, guys. So there you go, possible day for everybody else that your local Walmart doesn't have one. And now the next question is, am I gonna pick it up? Of course I'm gonna pick it up, man. Come on, man. I don't care if other people already reviewed it or unboxed it. That's what I like about my channel. I think I bring pretty good stuff towards it. Now I have 2 phones coming, two new unboxings coming up, guys. So that's another update that I think you guys are gonna like. And then yeah, so hopefully I'm gonna get that. I already got the phones. I just have to make the videos and stuff. So yeah, a little wink there. So yeah, guys, that's my little update on it. I will get the Stylo 4. I'm just waiting for my local Walmart to get it, because you cannot get it. Like I said, there's not on Best Buy. I went to all of my Best Buys. They don't have them online. You can't get them. So yeah, it's only certain Walmarts are getting it. So I know some people actually have the phone already. Like I said, just my local Walmarts don't have it. So that kind of sucks, guys. I was bummed out. Like I said, I spent a lot of gas and everything roaming around trying to find this phone, and nobody had it. I called all of them, and you know how it is calling Walmart. You call, is this electronics? They're like, no. So, oh my God, I was on hold for like 30 minutes, and I guess the guy in electronics wasn't doing his job or whatever. I finally went up there. I'm like, dude, I've been calling this store forever. Why aren't you picking up? You were right here. You guys don't close till 8. I went like around 6. So like I said, I just appreciate all the support, guys. Thank you for letting me know this phone came out. Like I said, I rushed to my local Walmart. Nope, they don't have them. So congratulations to everybody that has the phone. Hopefully you like it. Now, what are my thoughts on this, and what are my 2 phones that I'll be unboxing? It's gonna be a surprise, guys. Not many people thought I was gonna get these 2 phones, but it's gonna be a little surprise. I don't want to spoil too much, but it is 2 phones that I'm picking up for you guys that you can enjoy. I am trying to get a little bit better quality videos coming up, so if you can support me, check all my shirts and Patreon and all that stuff. But apart from that, I did see CV Tech's unboxing of the Stylo 4 and other unboxings too of the Metro version and all that stuff. The 2GB version, guys, I must say I'm not super excited about the Stylo 4, especially with 2 gigs of RAM. Now, don't get me wrong, for $130 that the phone costs, guys, it's good, you know. But I mean, people are saying, I know Magic Tech reviews. He said that he got the Cricket version. The camera sucked, or he didn't like the camera. He thought the Super was better on Cricket. Then I was looking, like I said, CV Tech's video, and he was saying that they were stuttering on it. I was like, oh my god, man, it's 2018, man. Come on, we need good budget phones, you know. So yeah, that's my little thoughts on it. But like I said, I got two surprise unboxings that nobody has thought about just yet, guys. So they're coming up. So let me know in the comments below what you think and what phones, and are they flagships or budget? You know, we gotta try to keep it budget, all right. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Just a little quick update, and like I said, I'm hoping to get the phone pretty soon for you guys, so I can unbox it and review it. And you know my tests, I do really good tests with them, so it'll be in-depth tests on those. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonicwarfare signing off. Check out the description below for a lot of cool offers. Thank you.